What are you doing? Oh no, my hair. I guess you just have to live without
Kilala mo si
email.
Hep Abby.
Si Ate Idol niya.
Idol ko yun.
Nakulong eh.
Free Hep Abby. Free Hep Abby.
Muna lang, nasan tayo?
Di ba? Tangi, where are we? Bisa mo? Tangi, where are we?
Oh, nasan tayo?
Glacier.
Ano yun? Drink. Good morning. Tiyan mo, Mayna. Galaw ka. Susundan ka ng camera. Nasaan tayo?
Jollibee.
Ano oras na? 5:45. Tignan natin kung anong ginagawa niya.
Devoured.
We are out of Jollibee.
Ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's busy doing her Sudoku.
Hindi ko naman kailangan ng hint. Ano ba?
We are now on the way to the car.
Tapos bagay sa'yo mag-vlog. Dapat ikaw nag-vlog para lagi ako yung subject. It's G!
May sa vlog mamaya. Hello po, welcome to my vlog!
Wow.
Estimated duration 25 minutes.
Are 30 minutes away. Look, look.
I love salmon.
Lapit na, Mina.
Are you gonna stay? We have arrived. What can you say?
What can
About
I
the
say
trip?
Except you're welcome.
How's the trip? It was very long. But not bad.
It
Can
was
you hold it
it was
first?
very long because for me it felt very long kasi I couldn't fart. Like I had to keep it in.
Ano mo lang naman.
Masyado ka naman ha. Ayun o, hingin mo kayo no, Jibo.
Ayun na si Lina. Alam mo na yung Lina. Guess ako ate ko eh.
We're going in.
Go na.
I hate sun.
Ano?
I hate sun.
Do you hate sand? Do you hate sand?
Bumaliktad na yung ano.
Do you hate sand? No.
No, I don't.
Let's
I
go.
hate sand.
Ikat ka rito, dali. Ikat ka rito. Ganda ng shot na yun. Patayin mo yun, ah.
Kago ka.
Patayin mo yun.
Dalawang beses. Ayun. May green na.
Active, nakaano ka na green.
Okay. Kahit wag mo na itapat.
Wow! Nawala ka. Ayun.
Yung bilog na black. 3 beses.
Bilog na black.
Oo.
Sa akin tumingin eh.
Dapat tinilda ako. Nilagyan na to ng suka. Mura ka?
Hindi, nagano siguro yan. Naglakad. Come to me.
Pag kunyari di ka nagpakita,
Titigil siya.
lumubog ka.
Lakda nga. Pero katagalan makuha niya.
Mabigat.
Done swimming. Love. How was it?
That's fun. Very fun. And hot. And I feel like I already got dark.
Does she look dark, guys?
I don't know.
I don't think so. You look
darker.
very good.
Try yourself.
Ayun na. Let's go.
Two more. Or like one more. Apat.
Para iba mag-try mo rin. Pwede na yan. Nice. Pepper sauce. Last one. Thank you. Thank you. One tonkatsu for me. Sorry ah. Yan. With the sauce.
Only one?
One lang.
Or it's too thin.
Okay lang, okay lang.
I'll get na lang din.
Thank you. Wow. Sino sa tanda?
Wait, I know this.
Tonkatsu ka? I'm gonna start with the roast pork. Roast beef.
May bawal. Tapos ka duty bawal. Ay, nag-iwas siya. Basta naka-duty bawal.
Where did you get tonkatsu?
Make a wish na, make a wish na. Yay!
Sarap. Kuha ka pa. Chilling, being chilling. Being chilling. Pangit ka daw. Mag-auto detect yata yan eh.
No, it's not.
You just click it.
Yeah.
What if I click it again?
No, you just double click it.
Tara, breakfast na.
Hindi kasi baka hanapin ako ni Kuya mamaya eh.
Wala pa mas. Breakfast time. Meron, meron. Ano to meron? This is us after breakfast buffet.
I think the best thing I ate today is the
Pancake. Ako din.
You were expecting taho.
Oo. Sorry yung pancake.
Pero gusto yung syrup nito.
The best din sa akin yung pancake. Ay, salamin niya. Hanapin namin. Based sa video, suot niya pa. Sa First time in forever.
Anong grade natin ito?
Grade
Bravo. Ang baba ng memory mo.
8. 6.
Grade 6 yan.
On the way to the beach.
Let's go.
Beach tayo. Ay, sabi mo?
I just considered that you don't really like to go to the beach kasi sabi mo magiging some beach lang.
Hindi, gusto ko rin kasi nung makakapaglutang-lutang ako dun sa malayo-layo.
Ano, tara.
On the way to the pool. Summer Beach. Hello! Tingin ka, love. Gilid-gilid. Baka madulas.
Papakaldo ka ba?
Kulang-kulang ko.
Bakit? Ano ba pala?
I just did my hair and I'm gonna do my makeup.
Use your sunscreen.
I forgot to put sunscreen. I'm just gonna put it on the areas where I didn't put makeup. So enjoyable. Miss ko nga eh. What? What do you wanna wear?
Papaganda ba siya? Maganda naman na siya. The prettiest of all time. Yan din, magkaganyan ka. Tapos na. Hindi na, oo. Wag na. You're already very beautiful.
Whoosh, look at this love. Sarap. Malaman ng buhay sa inyo.
On the way home. Love, love. On the way home.
Sa likit pa naman din tayo. Hindi makakansunod.
Okay. So hot. We're about to take off na.
Flight.
Say mo bye-bye.
Bye!
Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Yan, magpupuso pala tayo ng ganyan. Pinoy Henyo Song Edition. I can only say, oh, hindi, pwede. You will guess the song on my mind. In my mind. Sige.
Local.
Wait lang, wala pa. Game.
Local.
No.
International.
Oo.
English.
Oo.
Let it all work out.
Hindi.
Is it football related?
Hindi.
Is the singer a girl?
Yes.
Is it an indie girl?
No.
Is it a pop girl?
Oo.
Is it Sabrina Carpenter?
Oo.
Is it You and Me, Every Night of
Hindi.
Espresso?
Hindi.
Is it from her latest album?
Hindi.
Is it do you know a lot of Sabrina songs?
Hindi.
So one of her hits.
Oo.
Please, please.
Tama. Ikaw naman.
Yeah, done na.
Local.
No.
International. English. Lalaki.
Yeah.
Pop.
No.
Indie.
Yeah.
Banda. Banda?
Mm-mm.
Do I know them?
Yeah.
Korean?
English nga ni.
Okay. Pero Korean band?
No.
Okay, I know them. They're a band. Do they have hits?
No.
Do they don't have hits?
I don't think they have hits.
Are they recent?
No.
Oh, matagal na. Are we thinking 90s?
No. What even recent? Like, recent lang sila sumikat, you know?
Oo.
No naman. But not 90s.
So 2015s.
I guess so.
Okay. Is it something I would listen to?
No.
Oh, yeah. So, pero I know them.
Yeah, you do.
I know the song.
I think so. I mean, if you listen to my playlist that I made for you, you would know the song.
1975. Banda. One Direction.
No. Indie.
Indie. Indie. Sino to? Sikat ba yung vocalist nila?
Or
Okay. Romantic song?
yeah, it is.
The Smiths.
No. He's losing, guys.
Ang hirap.
Dapat may timer to para ano.
Oo, mahirap. Blue.
Black and white.
Michael Jackson?
No.
Anong black and white?
Is he indie, Michael Jackson? I thought he's the
Ah,
king of indie.
black and white.
Yeah, that's all I can say. So, hit.
Black and white. Hindi siya 1975.
Nor.
Banda, tapos black and white.
I think sirat na. I don't think you'll get it.
Sige.
I think you don't know the song.
Ano?
Cigarettes after sex.
Ah.
Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby.
CSA.
Cass. CSA.
Ay, Cass. Okay, my turn. My turn.
Ang confident na CSA.
California Security Agency. Meron na akong isip.
Local.
Hindi.
International.
Oo.
English.
Oo.
Girl.
Hindi.
Boy.
Yes.
Group.
Hindi.
Solo.
Oo.
English.
Oo.
Do I know them?
Oo.
Do I listen to them?
Oo.
Is it Harry Styles?
Hindi.
Is it pop?
Hindi.
Is it indie? Is it Malcolm Todd?
Hindi.
Is it The Joe?
Oo.
Is it Chicago?
Oo.
Rate yourself 1 to 10.
Galing mo.
10 being the highest. Are you okay?
See how easy I made it?
Okay, sige. I'm gonna make it easy for
Self-assessment
you.
tayo. Rate yourself as an individual.
Okay na?
10 being the highest.
Local.
What is your rating?
International.
I will give you 10 seconds.
Solo.
to type in your answer.
Girl. Do I know them?
Yeah.
Very popular these days.
I guess so. I mean,
How about the other? One,
Is Olivia Dean?
no, not that popular.
Indie.
5,
Yeah.
8,
Sabrina? Ay, Clyra.
Yeah.
Si Clyra siya, okay. Latest album?
You get 3 jokes a year.
Latest album?
No.
No. Amoeba album.
No, I don't know. Actually, I don't know which album it is.
Okay.
You can ask. You have to stick to the song.
Is the album cover the white one?
I'm not sure. I don't
Is it ano? Do I know it?
Yeah.
I can sing it.
Yeah.
It's not from the latest album.
It's not.
Is it North?
No.
Softly?
No.
Sophia?
Yeah.
Sophia? Third time's the charm.
Tama na.
6 minutes. Last one for me, ikaw na.
Okay.
This is very easy. Go.
Okay. Is it English?
Yes.
Say so international. English. International.
Yes.
Is it a girl?
No.
A boy?
Yes. Yes.
How is this easy? Pop? Pop?
No.
You know the
Hindi.
secret? Or you
No.
know why? Because if we
Bye-bye. Malapit na kami sa... Malapit na kami sa...
Ano nagbaba yung isang chicken?
Malapit na kami sa ano tawag doon? Stopover. We're gonna eat lunch at 2. We are now at the stopover. Hello. Since I have stretched my legs.
Hi guys. We are responding Oh nga, hindi ka. Ang lapad ng likod mo dito, love. Huh? Damn. 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 He looks happy hearing that, guys.
Let's go.
We're gonna go.
Okay na si Mina. Guys, comment down below. Is it DJI or DJI? I personally think it's
Who would
DJI.
even think it's DJI? I just bought a full cream milk sa Mitsubishi. Kasi ang mahal pala ng oat, this wala silang oat side. So I decided I'll just buy a full cream milk instead. Tapos bibili na lang ako ng oat side na madamihan sa Shopee kasi mas mura. So here's to making matcha later. Sige na, bye na. I think this will be one of our last clips for this vlog.
Okay.
So let's conclude the video na.
Bye-bye.
Like, share, and comment. Subscribe.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.